Okay, we're going to investigate some sort of, we have a drippings of sap from inside a cabinet. And how long have you been experiencing this?
Since I had it. I'm not sure that it's sap. Check it out.
Well, let's look above it.
It's real sticky. I mean, I don't know what else it could be. It's coming from the wood, no doubt. See how sticky?
Yeah.
What else could it be? What is it? I mean, I don't know. Oh, look at that! Okay, Carly. Thank you.
There's no drip above it, though, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, there has to be. There's no rain, is there?
No, I mean, it's not as readily available, so it's...
Come on!
So some in this space right here.
Wonder about up underneath it, but really no different under there. It's not doing it right on the bottom one.
And it must be recent.
Ever since I've had it about 4 months, 5 months, I guess.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was gifted.
I mean, like long term, you'd have that stain would be. Or have you cleaned it a few times?
Yeah, it seems like it'll clean, man. It'll clean off, and then.
And what does Buzz Lightyear think about it?
To infinity and beyond.